Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Manuel Ablerin at ako'y ngayon ay mag-explain kung ano ang ordinal and cardinal direction. Ito ay very simple explanation kung ano yung ordinal or cardinal direction. So, let's delve in right away. So, ano nga ba ang cardinal? Cardinal. Ito yung parang yung yung axis ng magnetic field nung Earth, kung paano siya nag-rotate or kahit ano, basta yung sukat yun. Tapos meron tayong apat na cardinal direction. Meron tayong north, east, south, and west. Yung east, just to remember, yung east ay ito yung kung saan nataas yung nag-rise yung sun. Kaya pag tinutok mo yung east dun yung tinutok mo yung right arm mo sa east, makikita mo yung north, which is saan nga ba ang nagaan yung araw? Dito, right here. So dito yung north. So once nalaman mo yung north at east, hindi mo na kailangan malaman yung west kasi alam mo naman yun eh. It's self-explanatory. Tapos meron tayong four ordinal direction. Meron tayong north, east, southwest, southeast, northeast, southeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Pag yung mga nagtatanong kung bakit walang east-west, kasi ang east at yung west ay yun yung parang yung rotation ng Earth. Kung left ba yan o yung right. Pero ang hindi lang nagalaw, which is yung south and east. South and north. Yun nga, yung North Pole and South Pole. Kasi itong dalawang to is hindi sila yung nag-rotate. Nag-rotate sila pero hindi sila yung nasa gitna, yung nasa epicenter. Yun lang.